guns were involved in the commission of this offense. And this court is troubled by the fact that, like this matter is ending today, and the exhibits are here, and the court will make an order about that disposal of that exhibits. But the court has taken judicial notice of the fact that these guns, after the trial will have ended, end up in the hands of criminals. Are you aware of that? Yes, and I've adopted or I've advised myself that in every matter where I'm sitting and a firearm is involved, when I issue an order that firearm should be destroyed, you know, when you destroy, the court should witness that destruction of those items. And the court cannot just let these guns run in cycles, go back, come and be exhibited before court. Tomorrow they're in the hands of offenders, they come again. It's just a cycle like that. I cannot allow that in matters which I'm seized with. So before I make a disposal order, I will consult with you as to when those, you know your process. You can highlight me on that process. Not how they are destroyed, how often are they destroyed. As to how, maybe it's a secret, if I don't know. I don't want you to disclose that, but I want to know if they are ever destroyed. Yeah, that's a correct question. Yes. Okay. Will it be fair for you if I say within 2 months you need to call me and invite me for the destruction of the guns that are involved in this matter? Will it be too soon? I see you are the most senior in here. If my memory serves me about the ranks. Yes. I want to witness from today. I'm going to witness each and every destruction of exhibits in the form of guns that are exhibited before my court. I want to break that cycle as far as my powers, my hands can allow. As for other matters, no. I want to have a settlement that at least in the case that assist with, I know for sure that those 2 guns or 1 gun will not be circulating, because I have since realized that the police are the ones that rent out or sell these exhibits to offenders.
Yes, Mutombi. It's over like the way that we buy. Only a gun destruction day every year is around basically is October. Car 9th July to the city. So the owner of the LMPS we embark on the same process.
And I foresee a situation that if we are going to destroy them next year in July, somebody might rent them out to an offender. Say, hey man, ka June, how do you lives will have been lost. So will it be right for me to say next week or 2 weeks from now, these guns should be destroyed, and I want to observe that these 2 guns.
I'm so big. Yeah, one other process before the gun can be destroyed. They don't have the other day. Come over another money. These are that I do security through it up. Bona come after I but it can be etched. Either which identify when I eat together is a one fee. Most of my gun now until you have I have Zanaka, Swaziland, take up South Africa. So get in the process, then we are going to engage with Matswana before take a now, destroy. So it will take Nagonyana before they can be destroyed. But immediately come out and then the hotel directors on how should they be disposed of. Tabayen on your right side in the activities in the KC Amman CID ground in the letter. The activities are manene rural, massive, rural. So, come out, how another how I do on a dear guy who go outside from the by the submit to police headquarters. We don't have an will be kept there until the could look at our circulation and then the submit for our instruction.
Normally, processing in Ghana weekend.
I cannot specifically see bona inka nakuika because I banning is a good year for interpol or not some of the countries that is respond on Virginia Naibi Hadi I made to number to even part of the room interpol.
I'm really troubled by that. It's a serious concern for me. Still, I would like to witness that, especially those that would have been exhibited before my court, to ensure that they are the ones that are being destroyed. Thank you. I'll think about that one, how to couch it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
In the end, I'm going to ask that this police officer should be promoted.
Yes. It will be included in the order. The matter is postponed to tomorrow at 8 a.m. Will I ask with Justice Banyani about? You'll be comfortable to stay at 9:30.
Yes, ma'am.
That from correctional. Please, let them be at 8, before 8, because we 8. Thank you. Got a chance?